Archives of Prasar Bharati presents the timeless treasure of golden era.
We welcome you to our program Welcome to Studio One.
बड़े शहर की एक गली में बसा हुआ है नुक्कड़, नुक्कड़ के सारे बाशिंदे तकदीरों से पकड़। अलग अलग तकदीर है सबकी, अलग अलग है बोली, अपने अपने धंधे सबके अपनी अपनी टोली।
Almost 30 years. So we're saying it's been about 30 odd years, hasn't it?
Yes.
And it doesn't seem like 30 years at all, as if time has just flown.
Yeah, when I look back, it depends what kind of mental state you are in, but most of the time when I look back, it looks as if it just passed. And I'm thankful to God, the fact that, last year IIC had a retrospective of mine.
Which is also a rare honor for
it's
actor.
when they asked me that, do you mind if we have a retro? I said, well, it's a huge honor for any actor. Yeah. And when you look back, you feel, by God's grace, there's a certain body of work that you can have that,
This brings me to a very interesting observation that one has made about you. Have you seen the film Bandini?
Yes.
In that, Dharmendra tells Nutan, तुम में ये गुण है कि तुम में कोई गुण नहीं. That applies to you so much because, when you talk to anybody here or outside, the moment your name comes up, it is not the name, but the names of the characters that you have played that people remember. People remember Nukkad. Even before we came into the studios, we had people talking about Nukkad. Saab humne sabhi episodes
it's very common.
Which
I'm
is
sure
also
you must have
unusual for an actor to not carry the remnants of the nuances of the character. वो एक mannerism है. You don't seem to have carried anything.
But you're not supposed to. But usse, the only thing, professionally, I can say it can lose, but I'm quite happy with. Of course, we all want little more than that's what life is. Yeah. But it has happened with me few times, not once or twice. Even if you say Pawan Malhotra is coming, lots of people ask you who, and when you say that character, they say, oh,
No, what is amazing is even Nukkad, which is now 1989, people remember that even today.
It was 86.
86, oh, even.
Still remember.
Yeah.
But that's the content.
Yeah.
But as an actor,
they remember you.
They
Cycle
remember,
wala.
Other also.
Yeah,
but,
other also.
But Salim Mangla, they remember
yes,
me.
Yes.
Bagh Bahadur, they remember me. Road to Sangam. But lots of time, even in Delhi, a place like Khan Market or wherever I go or otherwise, people have come to me, sir, big fan, and Salim Nangra, what a job, and Bagh Bahadur as a child, I used to watch it every time the Doordarshan showed it, and the Black Friday, you were amazing, so awesome, kick-ass, they use this kind of youngsters. And suddenly they'll say, sir, what's your name, sir? And I used to find it that he's mentioning all the films, and then they ask him my name, and then director friend of mine once told me, you should be happy about it, they know you as your character. And when the day he told me, after 2 days, there's a place called Bandra in Bombay.
Yeah.
We went to one of the restaurants there, and there was group of young girls, these 25 saal college type, they came in a group. And they stopped and looked, I was sitting at a table, and they smiled, I smiled, and then one girl comes to me and says, can we have a selfie? I want a selfie with you. I said, yeah, sure. And then she says, sir, we really like your work, you're very realistic, but we don't remember your name because, your characters are so then I realized, she's saying it. Your characters are so powerful that we just stay with those characters. So one has to take it as a compliment. But at the same time,
it is a huge compliment.
Yeah, it is. But at the same time, as an actor, you feel, please know my name. So, I'll be lying if I say, oh, it doesn't matter to me. Of course, I feel, yaar, naam to yaad kar lo mera.
But to continue with this thing that I was mentioning with the Bandhani dialogue, it is amazing that after doing such powerful roles, people do one tiny role and they acquire a swag, and you are just exactly like you would have been when you first came to Doordarshan, the same attitude,
no, but in real life, I can't be acting. I can't be acting in real life.
No, but how can you be so down to earth?
No, if you're an actor, I tell people that the other day somebody told me, sir, I can't believe it that you're standing next to me, and why are you standing in the queue? I said, I'm an actor, you are a corporate guy, but we are same people,
right.
I can understand big stars because it's difficult for them. The crowd will come and trouble them. That's not happening with me. And I feel that stay connected.
Right.
You know, and you can't be acting in real life. I mean, at home with friends. I'm not an actor. I'm an actor on the set. And even on the set, I know actors, because why actors are pampered. You're telling your story through their face. You can't tire him or her and then show a scene where they're, you know, having a good time, because it can show. But only actor will run the film. There are so many people. The DOP is very important. Sound record is very important. Sound, if I did one shot very well, say Pawan Malhotra did something, what a performance. But when the sound guy puts a ting in it, he enhances that good performance to very, very good performance. So everybody is contributing. Even a guy who's delivering you chai on the set, us diwar mein that one brick is also important. Because when you're working, when you need tea and you're using your brain, somebody gives you a tea and the caffeine goes in and then you're awake and you. So that person has also contributed. You know, the lightman is contributed, who's holding a jali wahan par, net pakad ke khada hai. That can change the face. But actors are important because through them you're telling your story. Now because of the TV has come that people know, otherwise there were only 8-10 directors people knew. So now people know, because they're exposed, that directors and their DOPs they are talking about. Otherwise actors will see. You know, I always say, भाई हमको ही देखेंगे, तुम्हें तो देखेंगे भी नहीं, आप मेहनत कर रहे हो. You know? But staying on the ground, it's also depends person to person. I also know one more thing. Say today driver was not there, so I have this permanent guy, Kali Pili taxi, and I came in that. But audience also, people also on the road, they want to see actors कि एक बड़ी गाड़ी से उतरे, हमेशा एक सूट पहना हो. Otherwise they'll tell you आप ऐसे हैं, you know, and they will, आप ऐसे होंगे, आप सड़क पे चल रहे होंगे, वो भी आपको जो नहीं भी जानते वो हाथ रख के बोलेगा, अच्छा भाई ऐसा बताइए. Otherwise they are in awe of you.
Yeah.
Like I'll give you one example. Salim Rangde pe Matro I did, and I was interviewed for some paper, and I went to a place called Bandra, and we were in a restaurant, and I don't remember which paper interviewed me, and I came out and I got into an auto rickshaw, three-wheeler जो यहाँ पर scooter बोलते हैं, and I went to a friend's house. So I got into auto rickshaw and this guy turns and kept looking at me, and at one point he asked me, आप वो सलीम लंगड़े वाले हैं, सलीम लंगड़े पे मत रुकिए. And then he said, नुक्कड़ में भी हुई थी ना. And then he actually started clapping, and he's driving. He says, sir, मैं घर जाके बताऊंगा तो my family will not believe. With stars, they are in awe of them, you know. And अच्छा generations का भी फर्क है. जैसे I still remember my father. I'll never forget that. As a child, I didn't appreciate, or I didn't give much about that thing my father was sharing. Every 15th August, he'll take out the jhanda. Once shared with me that when he was young in Lahore, he said Lahore station, Subhash Chandra Bose had come, and it was really crowded, but I managed to touch him. You know, for him it was a big thing that with his son he's sharing it after so many years.
And it was a glorious moment.
But some people can be awe of actors at the same time. You know, that they keep looking at them. You know, they think they're different. They're from, but they're same people. And in fact, what interesting is, for example, Shah Rukh Khan has gone from here when he was doing TV, wandering around, but then he becomes a star. Then for the same people, he's a different person. You know, I know a success will give awe to people, or some work which you have done, which it can apply to anybody who's done something interesting or something bigger. You know, there's a certain kind of respect automatically comes in our mind for anybody, and that. It should be like that. You are supposed to respect the person. But for an actor to be in awe of somebody. But I think that's why there's so much of money in this profession.
You know, this is now a very important point where it comes to money. A lot of actors, some of the best actors, highly respected actors who really made it big, or the ones who are, you know, somewhere in the middle, each one needs money, and there are many times you have to compromise. You can't always wait for Salim Langra or any of the other characters, you have to somewhere, it's part and parcel of the game, isn't it?
Yeah.
And to what you said earlier about, being confident, you wait, have patience, the roles will come. These two things don't go together.
Sometimes they won't.
Because you have to pay the bills.
You have to pay the bills. That's why.
And actors, by and large, are not very confident people. They're always very nervous.
Very, very vulnerable.
Very vulnerable.
You can easily, अरे नहीं हुआ take, तो actor घबरा जाता है. But at the same time, I feel that, say for example, you're still not in a stage where, back to back, every day offers are coming to you. Even if you're not being choosy, you just want to work. It takes little time. You'll be very lucky that from your first film, then there's you're flooded with work. You can't think that every time because if you're in a profession where you finish one job and then you have to wait for another one. So you have to spread that money. Annually I will get. And of course, everybody wants to live better. Why shouldn't you? That's why we earn money.
Absolutely. You are an unusual species in a sense, because most actors tend to live in that, with their heads in the clouds, and they are very quick to acquire all the accoutrements that you need.
Not all.
Very few are practical.
Just see, there are people, they have done very, very good work, and they've stuck to that,
But was this, the family background of being in business, did you get advice?
No, in fact, I'm not a businessman at all.
But your dad is.
My father was. But thank God, I could go into I met these people and I started doing theatre, and otherwise I would have been a huge failure in business. Even now, dealing with people talking money.
Tools?
Sorry?
You would have made machine tools?
Maybe I could have. I'm not very good at selling myself.
Right.
Even now I feel that I'm an actor. I'll do my job, but you want me to learn business, how to sell myself. You want me to, I didn't know that I had to deal with lawyers and PRs and all. I thought when acting ki, I'll go home and the journalists will do their job. If I go and ask you, if I meet you and why didn't you interview me? Or why didn't you give me this award? I feel, how can I ask interview me?
But the sense of
even
practicality.
The award, if you can ask for an award, that is not an award. Like when I got my national award, I was on a high.
Fakir.
In fact, director called me and told me, I was not even thinking about the film. We had forgotten about that film. In fact, the producer ran away and nobody got money, and director, how Gautam Ghosh informed me, he calls me and he says, Pawan, you're the only one who got money from this film, no, Fakir? I said, no, Gautam, I didn't get a single penny. My check also bounced. He said, no.
Your check bounced?
Everybody's.
Okay.
The producer ran away. So he said, no, you've got national award, so they'll give you 10,000 rupees. At least you've got 10,000 rupees from this. But I was on a high. I felt very good that I've got national award. In fact, Salim Langra, Bagh Bahadur, somewhere I felt both the films, you give national award, best film and best Hindi film. I'm there from first scene to last scene, and you don't give it to me. Actually, I felt that. And totally two different characters. And then morning they have a rehearsal without president.
Yeah.
At that time, I don't know now.
Now it's one day before.
One day before. So we had a rehearsal without president, and actually the whole day I was thinking, when I go up and walk, and when I'm right in front of the president, how do I address him? I say hello. I felt no, hello is not wrong. Namaskar. I was just actually rehearsing the whole day. And I couldn't decide, And when my name was announced, I was still walking, and I had not decided what to. But when I reached there, right in front of him, right behind him, there was a gentleman in olive uniform, army uniform.
His ADC.
Apne aap muh se I said, Jai Hind sir.
Oh, how wonderful.
So it just came to me. I saw this army uniform and I said, Jai Hind sir. And I felt very good, very proudly is there on my wall in my house in Mumbai. The national award. I feel these kind of awards, and especially the film which I had forgotten about. I didn't even know that is sent there, And everybody there thought this is my second national award because Bagh Bahadur Salim Langra ke time to mila hi hoga, But I'm very proud of that award,
We are all proud of that award and of all the other work you've done. But you know, this thing for an actor, appreciate. See, the award is really a form of appreciation, isn't it? So do you feel disappointed when you put your all in a role and you don't get the kind of recognition you're looking for?
See, human tendency is what you have, you want more. And that's life also. I always say don't be over ambitious, but you should be ambitious, you know. You should think of more, you know. You can't stop it. It's the stream which is jo behta pani, you know. And no matter how much we'll get, we'll always want more. And that is life. Somewhere you have to draw a line. You can't go berserk, but if you're an artist, if your health allows you and people are still showing faith in you and they're ready to invite you for work, you're even when you're 100, you can still work. Zora Sehgal, you know, almost 100-year-old, and look at the smile and the glittering eyes. I'll never forget. You know, artists can die in their boots. That's what is so interesting about it. There are so many stories to be told. There are so many characters to be played. You know,
which are the kind of characters that you would now like to play?
No, I never think like this.
But
in fact, people ask me, what is there in your mind? It's a fact. When the script comes to me, you know, somebody narrates, I say yes, I want to be part of this, you know. Then I start thinking about it. I have never ever waiting, mujhe ek villain karna hai. No. I want to be part of different kind of stories, different characters, and honestly, every single film I'm scared when I say yes and I'm going for my shoot. I always tell God, izzat rakh lena, because it's a new job, you know. Like once a director told me, you know, first meeting, sir, please, jab we met in Black Friday jaisa kuch kar dena. I said, first of all, they were two different films and two different characters, and your film is different. You know, I will 100% with honesty I will work, but I don't guarantee that I will do a great job, because I don't know, I might go wrong, you know. And that's what is interesting about this profession. You have to be on your toes all the time
and take risks all the time.
Risk all the time. What you have done is done. You know, this is a new film, this is a new character, this is a new story, this is a new scene, this is a new shot. Even the scene which you have just done is done. That's a different situation, that scene which you have done. This is a different situation, you know. Depends what you do. But you have to be on your, you have to keep thinking. So as an actor, when you're acting, there are so many tracks working in your mind. When you're shooting for camera, even a romantic scene where you're kissing a woman, and the camera is this side, and on a trolley when it comes this side, one eye can see it. So from this side you come this side, you show your face, because you perform for lens. Lens can see you, the audience will be able to see you, you know. And I always say, if you turn around and do something, unless, of course, you don't always have to have facing. Lens should be able to see your eye, and there are so many technicalities involved. In fact, cinema even more difficult, because theatre, I'm on stage, once I come on the stage from the wing, we are going in a sequence, scene 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. And there is somebody, there's a character there, or I've rehearsed my speech for 2 months. Little bit if you fumble, audience let it go, you know. I know they always say, either fumble ho jayega to nahi hoga, there you get a chance for a retake. But cinema, it is divided into so many parts, one scene. And sometimes very emotional, even when I have to cry or I have to be angry, I have to be happy inside. Then only I can give my best, you know.
And the thing is, you can't even change the pitch of the character. Ke chalo, you know, if you're on stage, you can probably pitch it in a different way.
Sometimes they feel, arey niche ja raha, chalo tempo uthao.
Which is not something you can do in a film.
No, because, and you shouldn't. Because once it's compiled, you can say, we met outside at the gate. Okay? And then you walk me into the room where we sit and chat and we have tea, and you tell me that you're going to interview me. Then we walk into this corridor, we take out our shoes, and then we come here and we start. So director can divide this, not in this building. He might say, we are shooting this studio here, but you know, the corridor is, I'm not very happy with this. That hotel, that corridor we will cheat. You know, that will be done after 10 days. The gate is, I'm not very happy, I will use it for that other building.
So to maintain this continuity of spontaneity, how do you do that?
That's what film actors' job is.
So do you make notes or do you just keep it mentally?
Mentally also, and
Right.
sometimes, of course, on your script you make notes, you know. But before you're going into your scene, you're reading your scene. No?
Right.
So, same scene which was divided in 4 parts. So 4 times you have read it before going for the shot. So that is fresh. And when you were doing it, you were not just doing it just like that. There is certain kind of pattern you follow as an actor. When you get a script, you're following it. No, you know. It can't be that in one scene you're a different person, unless the character is written like that. But if you're playing a character, that whole thread from beginning to end, it has to have that consistency, no? You know,
100%.
You can't change your body language suddenly.
You know,
That's the difference between a mimic and an actor.
yeah, very
You know?
well said.
You take a mimic in a film, they will keep changing in different scenes.
Right. But
No?
where do you find that
I'll give you both examples.
repulsiveness in your being?
I like it when a lady comes to me and says, you know, I was watching it with my face on my face, and in between my fingers I was watching the film, but I went home and told my daughter, you must watch that film, and especially for that man. You know? So I take it, and she said, I hated you, but I loved watching you. So I take it as a compliment.
It is a huge compliment.
Yeah, but doesn't mean that in my real life I've started thinking like that soldier.
Yeah.
और ए जन्म तुम्हारे लेके भगत पूरन सिंह बायोपिक I did.
Right.
That he's known as Mother Teresa of Punjab, or bearded Mother Teresa, people call it. And I think he's done tremendous work for humanity. And first time when the script was narrated to me in Mumbai, after listening to it, I just sat, and after few seconds I said, I can't do this film. And she said, why? I said, because it's a huge responsibility. I think this story should have been told much before. And if I go wrong, I'll never, be able to pardon myself. She said, "नहीं आप ही को करना है." And I'm very happy that I'm thankful to God that I'm part of that. I played that character. And the people, those who knew him, they're so happy with that.
And it is a must-see film because historically people should know about these characters.
And we should know that these kind of people, and what a place Pingalwada is created, And luckily people, those who are after him, those who have taken over, they're also with it,
Yeah. And for people who don't know, Pingalwada is where people who had leprosy, they were given shelter
Everybody,
there.
jiska koi nahi hai, mentally challenged people. Very interesting thing I tell you, interesting is the wrong word, although. When we were shooting there, sometimes in between the shots, lighting is happening, I used to come out of my vanity and sit there, and the young girls, 14, 15, 20, 19, they will come in a group and talk to me, or ek koi bhajan sunaegi, one of them little bit smarter jokes. And one day I said, handicapped boys I've seen, but children, those who are not handicapped, only girls come and sit. Where are the boys? And they said, तीसरी चौथी बेटी को छोड़ के बाहर जाते हैं, बेटा कौन छोड़ के जाता है? And I was not even thinking like that. So coming back to Bhagat ji and Children of War character, भगत पूरन सिंह जी का मैं नाखून की मैल भी नहीं हो सकता हूँ. और एक आदमी जो आखिर तक he didn't have a bathroom for himself, no fixed bed, wherever he got a place he would sleep. He didn't even have a cupboard, you forget, he didn't even have a suitcase. He used to potli bandh ke he used to travel, and 10th fail, but self-educated, and he talked about all the philosophers. In 60s he was talking about environment, don't cut trees. Even Darbar Sahib, when Parikrama people used to watch, he used to say, cut pani pao, badi pani milna nahi, and people used to laugh at him.
Yeah.
In Punjab nahi milega, He was talking about pollution because of the cars and scooters. He said, ban all this, ahead of his time. And the fact is, when I was shooting and playing his character, evening I was sleeping in a 5-star room. I used to go to a 5-star hotel. There was a car given to me, So if I pretend, I have become Bhagat Pooran Singh. No, I'm doing actor's job. At that moment when I'm doing it, then I'm feeling him. And end of the day, when people, those who know Tiger Memon, later on I wish I'd met these people, those who had spent time with him. They said, बिल्कुल ऐसा ही था. और भगत जी के लिए जब when people say, oh कैसा पकड़ा आपने ऐसे ही, you know.
This
And
is All India
when
Radio
God is with you,
Archives
one
recording.
gentleman, elderly gentleman comes to me. I had gone back to Pingalwada for a function. They have a sports program, and he said, "Todi ta awaaz bhi unna that you even sounded like him." I said, "No, it is just God says. I've never even heard a word how he spoke."
yeah.
So that's why I keep saying, when God is with you, your brain works. Everything, the collage is right.
Yeah.
Everything falls in place. You know, we used to play those blocks, no?
Yeah.
So it works. The time is with you, everything will work. Of course, that doesn't mean that you stop working. I always say, Bhagwan khajur ya seb niche gira dega, you have to chew it well.
Yeah.
So when you get your job, do it with all your honesty. You can make a mistake, doesn't matter. Failure is artist's right. If you are trying something, only then you will fail. जो चला है वही पहुंचा है, जो चला है वही गिरा है, जो चला है वही शायद कोई गलत कदम रखेगा, जो बैठा ही हुआ उसका गड्ढे में पाँव कैसे आएगा?
That is very true.
So don't be scared of trying something, and especially in art, you can go anywhere, you can try anything,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
and you can tell stories where when people come out and think the story which you have told, and through you is being told. So you have to be right. So keep reading your script. Keep thinking. Say Punjab 84. I don't know how many people have seen it. The first day shoot, the first scene which we shot is very interesting. My director told me there's a scene where the hero is with his friend and he sees that, you know, one of his relatives there in a court because of there's some legal problems with the land and they're fighting a case, and that relative is standing there with the cop. So he tells his friend, wait, I want to talk to you. My director told me, sir, you go and stand a P, and then when he's coming from this side, you also, you know, both. So I'm standing there and peeing, and then
This is All
action
India
and a
Radio
turn.
Archives recording.
And of course, we don't always need to wash hands, but there's a thing that we wash our hands. You don't wash your hands. So I'm walking, and then first rehearsal, I wiped my hands with my trousers. Then I felt, no, the kind of character it is, it should be eerie, you know. It should be ugh. And especially women should feel, oh, look at these men. So,
And you
gone wrong
connected the
with-
two.
Then in the whole film, I've used this as a character. जब बहुत गुस्से में it goes faster, otherwise slower. Even when he wants to pin him, he goes little this. I used it as a character.
But I'd like to thank you so much for being on our program today, Pawan.
No,
It's
thank
such
you
an
for inviting
inspiration
me.
for all the children here.
I'm so happy to be here. Pleasure.